Well, the death count in yesterday's train accident in North Bengal has now climbed to 9. Several people are in hospital as officials have said that no more passengers are trapped inside the derailed coaches. The Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav visited the mishap site and reviewed the situation. Let's go across to Kishnu Datta, who's reporting on this. Kishnu, good morning. Give us a sense of what's happening there currently. We are told that the Railway Minister is there, and apart from that, all the people who were trapped inside the coaches at least have now been taken out.
Absolutely right. There is a devastating situation out there because Railway Minister a few times before came here and he will observe the whole things, and after that he will give their press briefing. The situation has been so that all the bogies, all the coaches are lying under down from the train from the 15 feet, and you see that the situation is so much devastating that so many clouds are there till the morning, but the NDRF team, the railway team, all are there to doing their best. Just a few times before, the railway minister came and he basically personally saw the everything is going to the everywhere wherever the situations are, what are the situations there, and after then in giving the press brief. But yesterday, 5:15,
right,
that is the devastating time, and once again the Gaisal train accident, the same situation has arrived in here.
Kishnu,
12 bogies for the train are derailed.
Can you just ask your camera person to pan and show us what's happening there currently as you continue to give us an update?
Yeah, I will show you the everything. Just given 1 minute, please.
Right.
As you seen, there is the lying, the train coaches behind the tracks, and all the police persons and the there. As you see here also, one coach, there is 15 feet from the railway track, and some of the coaches are so bad positions that they cannot move. And once upon a time at that night, they were doing all these things, and they are cut the coach, and then they will rescue the people. 9 people are already dead, and 32 people are very severely injured. For that reason, the electronic, all these electronic screens and all these things are there, and the coaches are also lying there.
All right, Kishnu, do stay with us. We're going to come back to you in just a minute, but here's what the Railway Minister had said a short while ago. He was at the site of the train derailment and spoke to the media briefly.
बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट और ट्रैजिक एक्सीडेंट है. हमने रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस कल कंप्लीट किए. रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन सब कंप्लीट किए. स्टैट्यूटरी इंक्वायरी भी चालू कर दी है, और मैं पर्सनली यहाँ पे आया हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी बहुत ही ट्रैजिक एक्सीडेंट है, वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट. कल हमने कंप्लीट रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस कंप्लीट किए और इसकी स्टैट्यूटरी इंक्वायरी भी चालू की है. मैं खुद यहाँ पे साइट पे आया हूँ, और जितनी हमारे दिवंगत पैसेंजर हैं उनकी आत्माओं को शांति मिले, ऐसी मेरी प्रार्थना है. और जो इंज्योर्ड पैसेंजर्स हैं वो जल्दी से जल्दी रिकवर हो, ऐसी मेरी प्रार्थना है. ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब भी कंटिन्यूसली इस पूरे एक्सीडेंट को मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं. मैं लगातार उनके संपर्क में हूँ और लगातार फील्ड के भी संपर्क में हूँ, और मैं खुद यहाँ पे स्पॉट पे आया हूँ जिससे कि इसका रूट कॉज पता चले, और रूट कॉज पता करके रूट कॉज को सॉल्व करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, ताकि इस तरह की घटना कभी भी फिर से पुनरावृत्ति ना हो, रिपीट ना हो. मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है आप सबसे, मुझे यहाँ पे आधे 1 घंटे का आप समय दो. मुझे पूरा ढंग से इसका इंस्पेक्शन करने दो, उसके बाद में मैं आप सबसे वापस मिलूंगा.
All right, Kishnu, if we could come back to you. You are continuing to show us visuals of how these coaches are now being taken out of there. But give us also a sense of the number of people who are injured in this, and where have they been taken?
40 to people are severely injured and then been taken to the Jalpaiguri district hospital, as well as some of them are also taken in North Bengal Medical College as their injury is much more severe. Sometimes
because 200-meter tracks are totally destroyed, and that's why the engineers of the railway, they are doing their best to change that track so that the railway is gone through from here, because it is the most important part of the northeast. Though two tracks are there, one is totally destroyed and one track is belong there. If the track is not open as early as possible, then so many trains should be cancelled. So the situation is devastating. From yesterday 5:15 till morning 10:30, they were trying their best, level best to do.
All right, Kishnu Datta reporting from the accident site. Thank you for the moment for joining us.